Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can save your Facebook story along with your music. So most of the time when we put music in our Facebook story, we are not able to download the story along with the music. Most of the time the music is removed. But the step I'm going to show you is going to help you download your Facebook story along with the music. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first I will upload a story with the music, then I will teach you how to download it. So in order to create a story, you need to click on create story at the top left corner of your screen on Facebook. So I'm just going to choose a random photo, and then you can see the music option, which is the third option on the top right corner. I'm just going to add a random music, but you can search the music which you want to add. As you guys can see, the music has been added. Now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to upload the story. I will click on share and I will wait for some time until the story is uploaded. So when the story is uploaded, we can move on to the next step. Okay. Now once you upload a story on your Facebook, it's going to show you this option called share as a reel at the top. Click on share as a reel. So we're going to create a reel out of it, because once it is created a reel, we can download it. Alright. So once we do this, we can click on save over here at the bottom. And as you guys can see, it will be saved to your device. Click on download. Wait for some time now. It's going to download. Now this time it should be downloaded along with the music. So let me show you that. As you guys can see, it has been downloaded along with the music. Now remember, I said I was going to share this as a reel, but until and unless I click on next and click on share, this reel is not going to be shared. So what I just did was I kind of acted like I was creating a reel, but I did not completely create a reel. So Facebook let me download this along with the music. Now what I can do is just click on cross at the top left and cancel my reel creating thing. And I just downloaded my story, faking Facebook that I just created a reel. So that's how you guys can save your Facebook story with music. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.